Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Air Max 97 Premium in cool gray and Baroque brown. Let's get into it. Okay, so looking at the box, you see we have the orange box, white Nike logo on the top. You got Nike logo around all four sides of the box. Okay, so look, what we have is the Nike Air Max 97 Premium in cool gray, Baroque brown. Now, what is Baroque brown? Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, I don't know. But enough of that, man, let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Max 97 Premium in cool gray and Baroque brown. Now, upon first looking at the shoe, you might or you might not be a fan of it. You know what I'm saying? But if you're a fan of 3M, you might want to stay tuned for this one, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know if you can see it, but this whole upper, besides the brown parts, has 3M on it. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna show you what that look like, man, a little bit later, and let's go and get into it, man. Under the bottom, see you got that same coloring pattern. You got the cool gray with the brown, with the golden brown logo. See the Air Max on the air unit from the front. You can already see what it is. There it is from the top. You got the brown mesh on the toe. Got 97 on the tongue in brown. Got like a corduroy pattern on the tongue. Think that's kind of nice. Pull tab on the back. Got your two strips on the outside, one strip on the inside. I mean, it is what it is, man. Now taking a look at the other shoe, I think it's dope. I'm feeling it. You know, I can't complain about it at all, man. You can see the Air Max on the air unit on this one. There's a closer look at it in yellow. It's a nice little touch. There's that mesh in brown on the side. There's a look around the shoe from the front. Medial side. I mean, it is what it is, man. There's a look at that corduroy with the 97. I think it's dope, man. I think it's kind of like a sneaker to me, like one of them that'll sneak up on you. On the inside, you got the yellow insole with the brown swoosh logo. So I mean, all in all, man, look, it is what it is, man. This shoe really to me is like either you're a fan of the shoe or you're not. No in betweens. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it is what it is, man. I think it's kind of dope. Feeling it a little, but check this out. It does have 3M on it, as you can see. Yeah, I know y'all like that. Y'all like that, huh? I don't know what it is about 3M that makes some people just go nuts, but it is what it is, man. Now, here's another view of the shoe. You know, I'm just playing around with it now, you know, but it is what it is, man. Let me know in the comments what you think about the shoes, man. You feeling them, you're not? You already done copped a pair? Got your eyes on them or what? Let me know what's up, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I think it's a dope shoe. I'm not sold on it, but I still think it's dope. You know what I'm saying? So, man, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. Turn your notifications on, share a video, go through some of my old ones, and I'ma holler back.